Hi everybody, this is Vanessa from Alpescast, and today I'm going to show you how to install SDKMan on Windows. I'm going to start by just going to the SDKMan website and checking out their installation page. You can see in the Windows section that there's actually a couple different options for how you can install this. I'm going to go with the third option today, which is git bash and then min-gw. So let's start with that. I'm going to be downloading the installer, and actually I already downloaded it earlier. I must have clicked on that tab already, so let's go ahead and run it. You can kind of obviously pick your different options that you want. I'm fine with all these default options, so I'm going to go with that. And I want to be able to use Git from other places in my system, so I'm going to go with the second option there, the recommended option. Alright, so this is now installing. I also know that there's a good Windows editor, so I'm going to download that too while I'm installing Git bash, which is called conemu. And I can actually host my git bash in this console. I'm on a 64-bit machine, so I'm going to go with that one. Okay, close that for a minute. Okay, so I'm going to open conemu. And you see I can actually pick which shell is going to run in there, and I want git bash. So since I've installed git bash, you're going to see this as an option. If you didn't do that first step, then you wouldn't see git bash here. Alright, so now you can see we've got min-gw git bash running. Okay, so let's go back to the SDKMan website to see our next steps. So in the Windows section, we got git bash, and we actually got min-gw already. So we're going to go back up to the normal installation steps. Now that we have that, we can use curl. Okay, so if you look at the output, you can see there was actually an error and SDKMan was not installed. The error says that it couldn't find zip in my path, and that's because I haven't installed it, so we're going to go and do that now. And I know that we can find this from GNU Win32. If we scroll down, you can see the actual setup. Okay, there we go. So it downloaded. I don't really need the documentation or developer files. We'll just leave those off. Okay, awesome. So now we actually need that in our path. So let's go check out where it put it. Okay, so it's going to be under my C drive, so let's go there. And you see here GNU Win32. If we go to the bin folder, there is zip. So great, so this is the path we want. I'm going to copy that and add it to our environment. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and edit the path. Add a new one. Save that. Okay, so now I'm going to get the curl command again. Copy that. This is looking a lot better. Okay, awesome. So it installed. Let's go on to step 2. Source this script. And then we'll check the SDK version to make sure that it actually installed and the command is working. Okay, awesome. So this is a good sign. We have installed SDKMan on Windows. Thanks everybody for watching. This is Vanessa Gertman from AlpusCast.